As the latest model to arrive this year, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is said to bring some pretty striking changes compared to its predecessor. Worth buying this aid, here's a comparison of the Samsung Galaxy A56 versus Galaxy A55 specifications that you must know before buying it. The Galaxy A56 5G comes with a more premium and stylish design. With a thickness of only 7.4 millimeters and a weight of 198 grams, this smartphone is thinner and lighter than the Galaxy A55, which measures 161.1 by 77.4 by 8.2 millimeters, 213 grams. Wrapped in a metal frame, the A56 provides a comfortable grip and adds a modern feel to its users. Also, the camera layout on the A55 has a separate island, while the A56 adopts a cleaner, linear layout with 3 rear cameras that are not integrated in a single bar. The rear camera design of the A56 has been equipped with its own housing, giving it a more premium look. In addition, the iconic power and volume buttons are located on the side, adding to the Galaxy identity. Available in exciting colors such as Awesome Olive, Awesome Graphite, Awesome Pink, and Awesome Light Gray, the A56 5G is ready to be the perfect style companion with its new color options. Both phones come with high-quality Super AMOLED displays, but the A56 offers some significant upgrades. The screen size of the Galaxy A55 is 6.6 inches, while the Galaxy A56 is slightly larger at 6.7 inches. While there is only a 0.1-inch increase in size, the A56 has thinner bezels, giving it a more modern look. The screen brightness is also increased, where the A55 has a maximum brightness of around 1000 nits, while the A56 reaches 1200 nits HBM, which improves visibility outdoors. Both have a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring a smooth and responsive scrolling experience, and offer Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2340 pixels, with vibrant colors and HDR support. Overall, while the changes are not too drastic, the improvements to the design and screen of the A56 provide added value for users looking for a more premium mid-range phone. Powered by the latest Exynos 1580 processor, the Galaxy A56 5G offers up to 1.18 times faster CPU performance compared to the Galaxy A55. Since the Galaxy A55 is equipped with the Exynos 1480 chipset, while the Galaxy A56 gets a chipset upgrade to the Exynos 1580. The new chipset offers a significant performance boost, with CPU speeds claimed to be 18% faster and GPU speeds increased by 17%. The Exynos 1580 consists of 8 cores, including one Cortex-A720 core operating at 2.9 GHz, 3 Cortex-A720 cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4 efficient Cortex-A520 cores at 1.95 GHz. In addition, the AMD Xclipse 540 GPU on the A56 is also claimed to be 37% faster and 20% more efficient in power usage compared to the previous generation. While the storage capacity remains the same with a choice of 128 GB and 256 GB for both models, the A56 offers the same 8 GB of RAM as the A55. However, improvements to the cooling system, which is now 15% larger, promise smoother performance, especially when gaming. The Galaxy A55 sometimes experienced lag on high graphic titles, while the A56 showed better performance in heavy games. The Galaxy A56 is also equipped with the latest interface One UI 7, which offers a more personalized and intuitive mobile experience. With up to 6 OS updates and 6 years of security updates, users can enjoy the latest features and keep personal data safe. Actually, in terms of sensor comparison, there is no major change in the rear camera. The Samsung Galaxy A56 and A55 both have identical rear camera systems, consisting of a 50-megapixel OIS main camera, while the ultra-wide camera comes with a 12-megapixel 123-degree viewing angle, plus a 5-megapixel macro camera for good measure. Although the rear camera specifications have not changed, Samsung claims that every shot on the Galaxy A56 has a significant improvement, including sharper and more detailed results. The most striking difference is in the front camera. The Galaxy A55 is equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the A56 only has a 12-megapixel camera. While this drop in megapixel count may seem like a setback, the A56 offers HDR video and noise reduction modes, ensuring clearer video results. Overall, while there are no significant hardware upgrades to the rear camera system, the A56 can certainly deliver good results thanks to improvements to the image signal processor and a friendlier user interface, as well as AI features that have been supported for easier image or video capture and editing. The Galaxy A56 5G continues to use a 5,000 mAh capacity battery, like the Galaxy A55, but with a significant improvement in charging speed. Because the Galaxy A56 has supported 45-watt fast charging, which is said to be able to be charged to 65% in about 30 minutes and full in 68 minutes. With maximum battery life, users don't have to worry about running out of power when doing daily activities such as gaming or creating content. The combination of powerful performance and long battery life makes the Galaxy A56 5G an ideal choice for active users. While the A55 supports 25-watt charging only. The Galaxy A56 5G price starts from $374 for the 8GB RAM variant with 128GB internal memory, then $404 for the 8GB RAM variant with 256GB internal memory, and $434 for the 12GB RAM variant with 256GB internal memory. Customers can also take advantage of the Samsung Reservation Plus program from March 2nd to 26, 2025, where they can reserve the device with a deposit of $6.